Hey guys, showing you this ZKH 8-inch tin snips or alloy steel forged heavy duty metal shears with a comfortable two-color PVC dipped plastic handle. So you can see it comes in this pack, and it's a really high strength for the metal snipping. So it's like the easy grip handle here that I mentioned, and then the sharp edges on the top. So it's used to cut like the shear like the metals. So or I can try it on some other objects to see how sharp and easy it is. So here, like, I'm just choosing this and just try to cut, and you can see it get cut up really easily and without any issue with a really straight cut. And it's pretty nice to cut and very smooth. So it's very heavy duty or shear scissor.